Year one was how long can you be on a motorcycle to ride really fast, very long distance.
Yeah! Sebastian! Alright, here we go. Yeah.
Year two was how much off-road can you do on the motorcycle. Now year three is going to be how high can you get? The top of the Pico de Orizaba, the highest volcano on the American continent. I would say the biggest issue is just going to be how confident you feel in your motorcycle and the stuff that's on your motorcycle.
Check it out, check it out, check it out.
Stop. It's not, I mean, it's also very unpredictable. We don't know what's there right now.
Is that your first fall? Who planned that shit out?
What happened to the San Antonio guys?
That took forever. Who's got that toe strap? Hold on. Right there. Here? Yeah, right on top. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Hard.
Well, look at you two.
Oh shit! I can't do that. Fuck! I missed my window.
Salud.
Let's go. Let's win.
Waiting on Nick. Neiman just went back to go look for him. We may have found a replacement friend.
Alright, I'm about to get naked, guys. For the camera.
The showers are out. Is that gonna be a problem?
Two pillows. And suddenly, and I'm like,